For ClearCaptions customers who have an active account, call captioning will be enabled and ready for display upon the very first call. When you're in a call, you can easily change the appearance of the captions you see. Caption adjustment tools can be found in the bottom portion of the caption display screen. If these tools are not visible, look for and tap Options. To change the font, tap the Font button. Use your finger to drag the font size slider. You can make the captions appear larger or smaller. Tap the contrast setting to change the font color, dark on a light background or light on a dark background. The changes you make to the caption appearance will be saved for your next calls. And at any time during a call, you can continue to make changes to the caption display. Remember, your blue phone will have call captioning enabled for you unless you turn it off. If you turn the captions off, you will see this button on the display screen during a call. Just tap it if you want to turn the captions back on. And at the start of every new call, the captions will again be automatically enabled. If you have any questions about ClearCaptions Blue, just tap the customer support icon or dial 866-868-8695.